Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but we can solve them quickly by finding critical points and testing the interval to identify the relative minimum. To find critical points, set the derivative equal to 0. Since the cosine of an angle is 0 at odd multiples of pi over 2, we set the inner term accordingly. Now isolate x by taking the natural log of both sides and dividing by 2. We test values of n to find the points within our interval 0 to 1.5. A relative minimum occurs when the derivative changes from negative to positive. Testing the critical points confirms which value satisfies this condition for the function f, giving us answer B. Nailed it! Whew! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't skip the sign change trap. Always verify the sign test and check the interval.